Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Think Big Digital. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to limit multiple choice responses in Google Forms. So without any overdue, let's dive right into the video. For that, we have one of our forms opened in Google Forms. And then we are going to select the three dots icon on the upper right corner of our screen. And it will give a drop down menu. From here, we are going to select Get Add-ons. And from here on we are going to search up choice limit, and then we are going to select in application choice eliminate, and then I'm going to download and install this application by logging into my Google account, and then it will be automatically attached to my Google Forms. And now when we select add-on from the Google Forms, then it will show us the option of choice eliminator on the lower right corner of the screen. And now we are going to edit the form and basically add choice limit through going to the add-on option and click on start. So after editing all of the options, we are going to select save, and then our form will be saved while you limit the choice. So that's how you actually limit multiple choice responses in Google Forms. So this is it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries regarding this topic, you can comment down below and we will be glad to help you guys. If you want to see more of us on your newsfeed, then you can subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.